Hello, in this video I will show you how to adjust the date and time settings on Sony ZV-1 camera. And to do this we'll need to click on a menu button. Menu should pop up. Now we just need to navigate to the tool icon. It's a yellow button right here. Then select it, go down, and then move to the right. In the fourth option there's a date and time setup, so we can click on it, and right here adjust date and time, enable or disable daylight savings, or use different date format. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.